Hi friends, I am Chirag. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the emoji slider sticker on your Instagram story and how to insert the emoji slider sticker on the Instagram story. I just going to show, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the emoji slider sticker on the Instagram story, I just going to show. For an example, I just choosing this mouse and just going to place this on my story. So I just going to rating this mouse on my using this emoji slider sticker. I just going to resize this emoji picture and just drop it on the bottom, and just going to click on the sticker option and just swipe down. You will see an option, this is called emoji slider. So just click this, and here ask about and just going on, and also we can just change the into different type of emoji symbols. You can just choose fire also. So I just going to review, asking the review about this product, or I just asking a suggestion about this product. So you can just choose this option, so the viewers can slide it and they can give their opinion about the product or about the style of the mouse or about something like that. So this is how you just add a different emoji slider on the Instagram story. You can just change whenever you just need it. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.